Oh, here we go. Tile repair. So someone tried to repair the tile after they replaced the shower base that was actually too small. They put some drywall back and some tile. They chopped it up. Unfortunately, the tile was on drywall. So if it was on like backer board or something, I could kind of get the tile off and leave some backer board so I can seal the seam. But in this case, that wasn't it. And so it was a gap between the wood and the shower base lip. On the sides, it was about 1 inch. On the back side, it was like a 1/4 inch. And so by the time I put my 1/4 inch Durarock on the back side, it was flush with the lip. I could roll with that. But the sides, it was a problem. And so they wanted to keep the shower base. I wanted to tear everything out. They wanted to do repair. So what I did was shim the bottom of the wood frame so that the Durarock can come to the back of the lip, and so that it can be tight enough where I can seal it with the rear guard the shut of it, and then tile it. They bought the tile. This is the closest they got. I wasn't gonna argue with them. I brought my orange saw because I keep it with me everywhere I go. All right, so there's a little angle coming down to cover the lip because I had to cover the lip. It's the only way to do it. And then the little pieces in front of the shower base. Do my best, caulk the rest. But the caulk for the inside corners, I use regular grout for the grout between the tile. But when the tile touch plastic or glass or anything that's not tile, I like to use the silicone grout with the grains in it, so it looks like regular grout. Nonetheless, the old shower door back had some help because it was spring break, but the door wouldn't close. Patch up this, because when they tore out the old tile, they just messed up all the drywall anyway. End up having to cut the side of the frame of the door so it could fit, but I got it. Looking good in the neighborhood for what it was. And then I had to silicone the frame, and I was done. That was some shit, boy. But I got it.